First question, the more accurate and advanced theory for antibody production is? Answer is selective theory. Second question, immunologist who studied the composition and amino acid sequence of heavy and light chains is? Answer is Henry Burne-Jones. Third question, the number of constant domains in light and heavy chain are in the order of? Answer is 1:3. Fourth one, the hypervariable regions responsible for antigen binding is contributed by? Answer is a part of a light and heavy chains both. Fifth one, the total number of amino acids found in heavy and light chains are? Answer is 214 and 446. Sixth question, kappa chain can be distinguished on the basis of? Answer is leucine or valine in the place of lysine or arginine at allotypic site. Seventh question, complement cascade is related to? Answer is Fc part of antibody. Eighth question, the major difference between MHC1 and MHC2 is? MHC1 molecule containing a large alpha chain associated with a much smaller beta-2 microglobulin molecule, whereas MHC2 contain alpha and a beta polypeptide chain. Ninth question, T-cell receptor are transmembrane proteins found on the T-cell and consist of? Answer is 2 polypeptide chains. ഒരു ആൽഫയും ഒരു ബീറ്റ ചെയിനും പ്രസന്റ് ആയിരിക്കും. 10th question, monoclonal antibodies technique was developed by? Answer is Milestone. 11th question, peptides that bind to MHC proteins are called? Answer is aggregatops. 12th question, antibodies are produced against self-RBC membrane proteins in autoimmune hemolytic anemia. Anti-AIDS drug launched by Merck Pharmaceutical Company in 1996 is? Answer is Crixivan. 14th question, immunoglobulin present in breast milk can give strong defense and protection for newly born baby against various infections and can pass through the placenta is? Answer is immunoglobulin G. 15th question, antibody present in tears, saliva as well as secretion of lungs and intestine is? Answer is immunoglobulin A. 16th question, HIV causes a complete breakdown of immune system by binding to T4 lymphocyte through CD4 antigen and destroying them. 17th question, first case of AIDS was recognized by? Answer is Luc Montagnier in 1980. 18th question, CD4A surface antigen commonly found in T helper cell is? Answer is glycoprotein. 19th question, key enzyme in the salvage pathway of purine? HGPRT. Full form of HGPRT, hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyl transferase. ഇത് പ്രസന്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ളത് സാൽവേജ് പാത്വേയിലാണ്, മെമ്മേലിയൻ സെൽസിലാണ് ഇത് സിന്തസൈസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. 20th question, monoclonal antibodies was modified for delivery of a toxin, radioisotope and dash. Answer is cytokine. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. താങ്ക് യു.